In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset progress on Teachable. If you're helping a student start fresh in a course, maybe they're retaking content or switching cohorts, Teachable provides a straightforward way to clear their progress as long as your plan supports it. I'll walk you through where to find the right settings, what you'll see on the student's profile, and how to apply a reset cleanly and confidently. First, open your Teachable admin dashboard. From there, go to Users, then select Students. This is your roster of enrolled learners. You can browse or use the search bar to find the specific student whose progress you want to reset. Click into their profile to open their individual details. Inside the student's profile, look for the Progress Reports section. This is the hub that summarizes where the student stands across their courses. You'll typically see lesson completion status, quiz scores, and overall course progression. Take a moment to review this information so you're clear on what will be affected once you reset. It's a good practice to note any scores or milestones you may want to reference later, especially if the student or your team needs a record of their prior work. Now, if your Teachable plan supports the feature called Progress Reports, Course Reset, you'll have the ability to reset an entire course for that student. This feature clears all progress for the selected course, effectively putting the student back at the beginning. Look for the Course Reset option within the Progress Reports area and apply it to the course you want to reset. Keep in mind that availability can vary by plan, so if you don't see the reset option, your current plan may not include it. After you perform the reset, refresh the student's progress reports and confirm that their lesson completion and quiz statuses now reflect a fresh start. This quick check helps ensure you've applied the reset to the correct course and that the change has taken effect. A couple of tips before you wrap up. Let the student know you're resetting their progress so they're prepared to begin again and understand what changed. If scores or completions are important to your records, consider saving them before initiating the reset. And whenever you're unsure, revisit the Progress Reports page to validate that everything looks right. That's it. You've accessed the student's profile, reviewed their progress reports, and used Course Reset to clear their progress when available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.